Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. We are building a gaming CPU. This is ROG Rampage 6 motherboard with i9 processor, and the graphics card is VRAM of 24 GB Titan RTX GeForce graphics card with 4 sticks of 3200 MHz DDR4 RAM. Let's check out the video. The other components which we use, Novec engineered fluid. This is 4.5 kilogram we used in the graphics card, and the Titan RTX graphics card. This is the costliest graphics card and #1 graphics card now. It comes with 24 GB of VRAM. So this graphics card we use to build the gaming CPU with i9 processor. This is the a motherboard that is ROG RAMPAGE 6 with the connector, and we used 4 sticks of 16 GB 3200 MHz DDR4 RAM with all the fans and other equipments we use for the gaming to make this gaming CPU. If you're new to my channel, kindly subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon and share my video. Thank you. Bye bye.